Good morning. This is Ahmed Mikhail from Oracle. Today we have a quick demo about running Postgres database as a high availability as a high available cluster on Kubernetes. I have set up. I used the Postgres operator to create a cluster on Oracle Kubernetes engine. And I will show you how it is very easy to manage Postgres on the Kubernetes, and how it is very strong in the high availability features and configuration of it. So let's the steps of the creating the cluster and all the details will be in the video description. So first, let's review our current environment. So I created a cluster. It's called Hippo. The cluster has like a one primary, which is this is my primary, and has two replicas. Okay. So this is my cluster. Let's review it from the Kubernetes. kubectl git pods minus namespace bgo. Okay, so those are my pods that's currently running on the cluster. Those pods are for the operator, the Postgres operator itself. Those pods are running on this will be those are the one that is managing the Postgres cluster. And those are my Postgres. My Postgres. This is one pod, and this and that. Okay, so it's telling me this is my primary. It's telling me this is my primary. So okay, so that's my primary. That's fine. I don't care. So let's see how I can connect to the primary, or how I can connect to the standby database. So in Kubernetes we connect through services. So let's see what services we are having. Get services minus n bgo. Okay, so here is the thing. Whenever we create the cluster, I used load balancer. So I created two load balancers. One for the one which is Hippo. This will be for the primary, and the other one is the Hippo replica, and this will be for the standby. Okay, so let's confirm this. So I have the IPs here, and I have two channels here. So the one that's the 129 is the primary, and 130 is the replica. So let's connect to 129. This should be the primary. So let's confirm. Select asterisk from links. This is a table that I created earlier. Sorry. Select asterisk from links. Okay, so I have this this select. So the select is working. So I need to insert some data so I can confirm if this is the primary or not. So let me connect to live demo 1. Let's insert this data. So I inserted it. It's insert. Let's select again. It's insert. Okay. So let's connect to the standby. So this is my standby, or the 130. Let's select to see from links to see if we are having all the details. Okay, so it's having it got the record updated in it. Let's try to insert any other column. Let's try to standby, life standby. Let's try to insert. It will take, I cannot, because this is a replica. Replica is always a read only. That's perfect, great. So I'm good. So this is my product. This is my primary. This is my replica, and both of them are working fine. Okay, so let's disconnect from this. Let's disconnect from this. And here I'm going to delete my primary. First, let's see let's see. Sorry, we need to start the API server, API connection. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so this is the primary. So this is our primary, and this is running on this port. So let's delete this port. kubectl delete pod -n pgo, and then let's delete this one. Let's simulate a failure, and this is the delete. Something happened in it. Okay, deleted. Let's get the pods again. It is now, it's still running, but it's not running. It is but zero on zero, still not ready. So it's recreating the pod. Let's see. Okay, now it has recreated our pod. Let's see which one were the masters. As you can see here, it recreated my replica. So on a different pod, if you check the pod name, it's a different than the previous one. The previous one was QRFLW. This one is DN9 VF. And here, as you can see, the primary has been already switched, fell over to this pod. So let's connect to the primary and see. Here, this is the beauty. I'm not connecting to a pod. I'm connecting to the service. So I'm connecting to the same IP. I don't care where it is. Select asterisk from links. Everything is good. So let's insert data. After failover, inserted, select, perfect, it's data. The data is here. Let's connect to our standby. Select from links. The data is here. Let's try to add any data. Live standby again. Cannot, because this is read only. That's it. So we have a high available cluster. Anything happen to any of our production of any of our nodes, the Kubernetes will take care of it with the help of the Postgres operator. It will restart any pods. It will restart. It will fail over the master to any live node. And that's it for today, guys. And I hope you will like it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.